Welcome to Professional Autocad by Royal Mechanica. So today we are going to see another command of Autocad, that is offset. So offset creates a new object parallel to or concentric with a selected object. So offset creates a parallel lines to the selected surface. So this is a offset created design, and also this is also offset created design. So we are going to do offset example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take, we can do it with line, or we can rectangle or circle. So what we need to do is, first I will take rectangle. I'll type here rectangle. I'll specify first corner and write here 300, tab 200. Any size you can take. I am taking this size for understanding purpose. Now just type OFF offset. It is saying specify offset distance. I will take it as 15 mm. Select object to offset, then at the center you have to, again I have to take offset of this also. Select offset object to offset. Again you can write 20 radius also. Based on the requirement you can offset it. Again for circle also we can create offset. I am taking here the center, specify center point of circle. I will take of diameter 200. Here now offset command using specify offset distance. I will write it as 25. Enter. Select offset object. So in this way we can create images design using offset command. Thank you.